More problems for longtime Santa Clara County Sheriff Laurie Smith. Today, California's Attorney General opened up a civil rights investigation into the embattled sheriff. Let's bring in our senior investigator, Stephen Stock, who's broken several stories involving Sheriff Smith. Stephen, this is a big deal.
Absolutely, Raj. Today's announcement by the California Attorney General Rob Bonta follows a request from county supervisors here last summer. They asked for a civil grand jury investigation, which they got, and which resulted in 7 formal accusations issued just last month. Now, the Attorney General is opening his own civil rights investigation. Sheriff Smith has come under fire over her management of the local jails, as well as questions about whether people who gave to her political campaigns got special treatment when they applied for concealed carry weapons permits, or CCWs. Our investigation 2 years ago found those campaign donors were 14 times more likely to get a permit than those who did not give to her campaign. We also reported that the sheriff has not submitted to independent oversight at her jails, including not reporting incidents of severe beatings there. Today, the Attorney General said his office will investigate whether any state or civil rights had been violated in any of these actions.
Our investigation will seek to determine whether the sheriff's office has engaged in a pattern or practice of unconstitutional or unlawful conduct. This investigation comes amidst deeply concerning allegations relating to conditions of confinement in the office's jail facilities, resistance to lawful oversight, and other misconduct. These concerns have been repeatedly voiced by elected leaders, media publications, community members, community organizations, and more. It is time that truth comes to light.
Bonta would not comment on any specifics regarding his investigation, but he did say his office will take its time and would like to hear from anyone who wants to give evidence or testimony. And within the past 2 hours, we got a statement from Sheriff Smith saying, quote, "I have always welcomed any external review of the sheriff's office, and we will immediately open all records. I have great confidence in the Attorney General's office, and I believe they will provide the expertise for a fair and impartial investigation." Her attorneys are currently preparing objections to the civil grand jury's accusations on similar issues. They were in court just a few days ago. Those issues, of course, were handed down in December. If any of those accusations, even one, are found to be true after a trial, the sheriff could be removed from office. We'll stay on this story.
All right. Thank you very much, Stephen.